Hello guys, today we will solve some of the equations of the polynomials, addition, subtraction, multiplication and division method. So I have taken 4 examples, so I'll take one by one. So first, number 1 is 4x square plus 5x plus 7, 3x square minus 8x plus 12. These are the two polynomials and we have to add them. So we can add in a different way also. This one is 4x square plus, we'll open this bracket first, 4x square plus 5x plus 7 plus, because the positive sign is outside this bracket, so when we open the bracket there will not be any change in the sign. So it is 3x square minus 8x plus 12. We'll rearrange the numbers, 4x square plus 3x square, then 5x minus 8x plus 7 plus 12. So these two numbers have the same variable. We'll add the constant. This is 4 and 3, 7 x square. Suppose for example, we'll take like this x square is an apple. And so these are the 4 apples, this is 3 apples. So if we add, that comes to 7 apples. So 7x square. Now another one. This is a minus 8 and plus 5. So bigger is minus 8, we'll subtract 5 from 8, so then it comes 3x, and this 7 plus 12 is 19. So this is the required answer of this polynomial of addition. I'll take another second example now. Three x cube minus 5x plus 8 minus 7x square plus 6x minus 9. This is the second equation. We'll open the bracket, 3x cube minus 5x plus 8, because there is a minus sign in front of this bracket. So when we open the bracket, all the inner sign will change. So this will be minus 7x square. This is a positive, so it's a minus 6x. This is negative, then it will become plus 9. We'll rearrange 3x cube, then minus 7x square minus 5x and minus 6x plus 8 and plus 9. So there is no x cube except 1, so we'll write 3x cube as such. And minus 7x square is also one number, so 7x square will come like that only. Then minus 5x minus 6x will be minus 11x plus 9 and 8, 17. So this will be the required solution of the equation. We'll take third example, x square plus 7x plus 12 divided by x plus 3. So we have to solve this equation. There are different methods. There are two methods. One method is this, we'll write this inside and we'll divide with this. Another is this method is we will factorize it. Suppose in order to factorize this, I told you a method also earlier. And this is the equation. So the coefficient of x square is 1 and this another number, constant number is 12. We have to multiply 1 by 12, that comes to 12. We have to factorize 12. So if we do factor it like this. So this comes to 2 into 2 into 3. We'll add or subtract these numbers in such a way that we should get 7 plus 7 over here. So we can see from here 2 multiplied by 2, it comes to 4, and 3 is another number. If we add, it will become 7. So we'll write in this equation x square plus 4x plus 3x plus 12. So we can add like this. Now we'll group it like this. We'll take out x common from this, so x plus 4. We'll take 3 common from this, it will become x plus 4. From both we can take x plus 4 common, then it will become x plus 3. So this is the factor of this upper equation. So we'll put the value of this, with this value instead of this. That is x plus 4 plus x plus 3. X plus 4, x plus 3 divided by x plus 3. We will cancel out x plus 3, x plus 3. So the required answer will be x plus 4 is the answer of this section. And in the next question, that is the fourth question, we will divide polynomial. We will divide tripolynomial with binomial. So here inside it is 2x square, outside is x. If we multiply x with the 2x, then it will come 2x square. Again, similar way we will multiply 2x. First we multiply with this x, second we multiply with minus 2. So it will become minus 4x. We will subtract, the sign will change. So this will cancel out. We are left with plus 4x minus x is plus 3x. We'll take out 6 over here, so it will come minus 6 here. Again, with this, if we multiply with the 3 plus 3, so it will come 3x plus minus 6. We will subtract both, so this will cancel, both will cancel. So this is the required answer of the equation. Or you can do one thing also, you can take out the factors of this equation, and with this you can divide. I'll tell you how. 2x square minus x minus 6 divided by x minus 2. Now you will factor this. So we need so from this equation you can see 2 is the multiple of x square, it's a coefficient, 2 of, and minus 6 is a constant number. We will multiply this 2 into 6, it's a 12. We will take out the factor, that is 2 into 2 into 3. We want to find out a number such that it will become minus 1. So from this we can pair out, this 2 into 2 is 4 and 3 is left over there. If we take minus 4 and plus 3, it will become minus 1. So we'll put x against these. So we'll substitute the value, 2x square minus 4x plus 3x minus 6. Minus 4x plus 3x is minus x. So we'll group it. We'll take out 2x common from this. So it will left with x minus 2, and we'll take 3 from this outside. It will be x minus 2. We'll take x minus 2 common from both. So we are left with 2x plus 3 here. So now I will put this value of this equation, x minus 2, 2x plus 3, oblique x minus 2. So this will go cancelled. So our answer will be, this is our answer. So we can solve this equation. We can divide after by factorization method also, provided it is completely divisible. If it is not, our numerator is not completely divisible by the denominator equation, then this will not solve. So this is how you can do the addition, subtraction, multiplication and division of the polynomials. Thank you very much for watching. Kindly subscribe my channel for more videos. Thank you.